Hey everyone, so I made it back into Big Lots. They had the little tiny trees for $9, and you know they're by Mr. Christmas. Comes in pink, white, and green, and they brought this one out for $18. That is by Winter Wonder Lane. They normally bring out a lot of Christmas animatronics. Sometimes they're the same, and every now and then they bring out a new one. So this Mr. Christmas one is a little different. It is gonna be a plush doll. Normally it's like a plastic Santa. $65. He's gonna climb for you, and a 35.
'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas would soon be there.
He is gonna tell the whole story. I think he does. I know they have a bear like that, and this is kind of cool for 23. The only thing I want to say about this, I don't care for the face. Doesn't that look a little weird? That looks a little odd. And Mr. Christmas is 40. And look at this blinged out deer. So the prices I think are changing because they're putting a different price tag on it. I wonder if I could lift that up. Can you lift that price tag up? Let's see what the original one is, like that big sticker. So I'm right. So it was $12, and they tackled on.
Too good.
Huh. So if you see the white sticker, they upped the price. You know what? I did a video on this already on these two, so I'm gonna have to go back and check. So right now, $26 for this deer, and a 22. Honestly, it looks like they did them to all the decor. Wow, they changed that. Why would they do that? $22. That was 24.
Yeah.
So it looks like they added an extra $2
on everything.
That is crazy. I just spotted something, so be on the lookout in your local store.
Instead of Big Lots, they're gonna start calling them Big Gouge.
Yeah. So I bet you this was 16 maybe.
Absolutely.
Oh yes, and this one's really nice for $22. Or I wonder if someone accidentally mispriced them. I'm not too sure.
Because they came from the factory like this. Look, it's $10.
10 bucks? I knew
And
that.
now it's 12.
Wow. Okay, I am. A lot of this we have seen. Merry Christmas is $16. Trying to spot anything new. This candle right here, this is new. The Happy Holidays. You will get 3 for $39.
That's pretty.
It is pretty. I like how it lights up like that.
But I think I could take it for 37.
A 2-piece bath set is $16. Get the toilet seat cover. It's kind of funny. And then a little rug. So these are 22 now.
So they were 20.
And these were 20. No, these are 20. Peace and Joy.
So they were 18.
So some are different. Oh, look at this one's new. $16. Okay, it says Mary on it. Has a little candle on the inside. Here we go. And then let's see. So $14, and now they put 16. I think that's kind of, I don't know.
Dishonest.
Yeah, because it was already shipped here anyway. This wasn't like new.
Yeah, it's not like a costume actually.
$14 for the glass tree. Now this one is new because this glass tree wasn't here. The brand is Broy Hill. So this is new. The cinnamon sugar sweet roll kit, $8.95. Okay, same bakeware. Wonder if they have any new spatulas or anything. Oh, everything's the same. Yeah. One funfetti, $1.25. They brought out the bear. Normally the animatronics stay the same each year. I've done multiple videos on them. I could link it at the end or in the box. So $23, and he is gonna tell the entire story, if you guys remember.
The night before Christmas went all through the house. Not a creature was stirring.
Not even a mouse?
Not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care.
In hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there.
The children were nestled all snug in their beds.
And $21, Santa's gonna come out.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Oh no, Santa.
Santa smells.
Got anything to read? I may be occupied for some time.
Maybe he really is lactose intolerant.
That was a good one. You know, a courtesy flush never hurt anyone.
Oh my god, that was my husband. Courtesy flush.
That's what we
Can you hand me a new roll, please? Not much I can do with this cardboard tube.
Yeah, people could hear the inside of our house.
Okay.
Light a match.
Don't be gross. Okay, this is 16. Let me bring it down, you guys. You know what? I'm so tempted to go through all these to see how much they were. Is that 18 or 16?
I'm sure it was 14.
Absolutely insane for that.
Yeah.
This normally is about $10 up in Walmart, or like an $8.97. The ornaments are marked up $1. It was $6. Oh wow. So if you want to see the original price, you just watch the first video I did, because they did it to everything. They have the snowman, tree topper head, $16. That one's new for us. Let's see, some garland in here. That is $9.
It used to be 8.
$8. Okay, so might be $1 over here. I don't see anything too new right now in Big Lots, you guys. A lot of it is the same. They're still filling it in, and you know, this year some stores may get lesser compared to others. That's kind of cool though. I do like this set right here for $10. They didn't cover the price yet. And that is gonna do it. Yeah, this is the gold, rose gold, pinky vibe. Yeah, this one's with the peacock is 28. You have your blinged out nutcrackers for 22.
Might want to get it before they add $5 more.
Oh yeah, so if you guys were buying it early, you did good, because they're going back to mark it up. I think that is strange. I never seen that ever. And now I know prices are going up on everything, you know, for shipment and wrapping and pallets, but the stuff that was here previously, it was already bought and paid for. So they just went to mark it up. I don't know what they're trying to cover. I don't know. It's kind of odd. Hopefully they're not just doing it to take advantage, because, you know, I don't know. All right, you guys. Yeah, so please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one.